So how can you double your salary, your income, or whatever money you make in 6 months? Is it even possible? Well, this video is for you, so make sure, take it in, write some notes, do whatever you gotta do, but understand where I'm coming from. Let's say you're making £2,000 a month. Now, generically speaking, £2,000 a month is a decent amount, but with the rise of costs and everything going up, let's be honest, man, £2,000 just isn't getting us where it used to 6 months ago or even 1 year ago. Like, it's getting peak. And so this video, I want to go over like how can you start making more money. So if you're now making £2,000 a month, let's be honest, you need to see if you can, one, speak to your employer and see if they could increase your salary. That is like the number one thing that I would generally recommend to you. And I think it's within reason, and the route you want to go down. If you want to try increasing your salary, then go down the route of, look, you understand, look, everything's getting more and more expensive, and just because of inflation, the money isn't getting me as far as it was a year ago. So I was really wondering if we could, increase my salary that little bit. Have that conversation with your employer. I think it's very important, and I think a lot of employers are open to have that conversation. Now, if they say no, then my brothers and sisters, get in touch with me. Maybe you need a recruitment company. Well, to be fair, I only do engineering recruitment. But the point being is you need to find another job. Because if you find another job, let's say you're making £2,000 a month. Let's say you can increase it to £2,400 a month. You get a big pay increase. Now, obviously, follow me up on Instagram because I do videos there like how to negotiate your salary, how to negotiate anything. And definitely follow me up there because trust me, inshallah, that will be of benefit for you guys. But if you're looking to now get a increase in salary by a new job, let's say you get £2,400. Well, let's go down that route. Now, you've got £400 more. We need to get you £1,600 more pound. Now, I would always say you want to go down the route of starting a hustle for yourself, starting a business for yourself. In today's day and age, a lot less people are going to start working jobs over the next 4 or 5 years, and that's just the reality. So the quicker we accept that, probably the better for us. Having said that, now you've got your £400, start working out how can you make £1,600 a month extra a month to double your salary in 6 months. Now, you don't have to necessarily, by the way, make that £1,600 in month 1 or month 2 or month 3. But we want you to get there in month 6. So maybe you're in a situation where you can provide a service to people where, you are good at something. Maybe you're good at accounting. Maybe you're good at gardening. Maybe you're good at a language that you can teach people. There's always something that you could do to teach people. Now, if you're in a situation where you can't teach anything, you know what the truth is? Become a master at something. And when I say master, be in a situation where you can teach something in 3 months. Teach yourself for 3 months, learn something day in, day out, evenings and weekends, and tell yourself that in 3 months' time, I am going to open something up where I teach someone. Now, this is a service-based business. Is it going to make you a millionaire? A lot of the times it's very difficult to make yourself that much money if you are providing a service because time is money. So if I'm spending 1 hour, I can't charge someone, £100,000 for 1 hour. Well, I might be able to if I am some crazy guy, but that's just not happening, right? So the point being is you want to be in a situation where you can teach someone something. Now, say you teach yourself something and you want to now monetize that and be able to now provide a service. Okay, so you need to make, how much did we say? £1,600. Okay, cool. Let's work backwards. If you do 100 hours extra a month, which over a month now, it's 25 extra hours a week, which sounds like a lot. And well, I guess it is. If you now say at 25 hours, you want to make £1,600, then actually you need to make £16 for every hour if you work an extra 100 hours a month. Now, let me just explain that again. So if you charge £16 per hour to whoever it is, £16 per hour, then you need to work 100 more hours to make £1,600 a month. Now, for some people, you guys might be like, well, actually, that is doable because I could do Saturday and Sunday and do 10 hours. A lot of us don't want to waste our whole Saturdays and Sundays. If you're at an age where you don't have responsibilities, some people will, some people won't. Look, 100 hours, extra 25 hours a week is a lot. If you did, for example, an extra 3 hours in the evenings, to up your income at the end of the week, now 3 times 5, you've got an extra 15 hours there. Actually, you only just need to do a Saturday, 10 hours. You're providing something for 25 hours, charging £16. Having said that, that's based on £16. If you can charge £20 or £25, then you can obviously make more money. And this is just going down the route of providing a service, right? So you might now go do some gardening, teach someone, tuition, do someone's accounting, whatever it is, but you're providing a service, and that's how much you need to do. So the point is, I'm giving you guys the numbers now. Now, if you did, £25 an hour, actually you probably only need to do 64 hours a month. I actually worked it out, I have to be honest. Now that's 15 hours extra a week roughly. The point though being is, obviously the more you charge, the less hours you have to work, so it's possible. And then with time, obviously you might want to invest a little bit of money. You might want to maybe you invest in something which is making you £100 or £200 extra a month. Whatever it is, the point being is you now start working towards doubling your income. And so it is possible. It's not to say it's not possible. It is. And a lot of people now are working from home, doing your remote jobs. And so you're saving time on the commute. But the point is, what are you doing with your extra hours? That's what it comes down to. What are you doing with these extra hours? Now, obviously, I haven't given you a ton of business ideas. I've just told you theoretically what you can do. But subscribe up to the channel. Make sure you smash the like button. We nearly have hit 10k, which by the way is ludicrous. The support on this channel has been crazy. I hope inshallah you guys will be benefiting. We're going to continue doing better and more videos. I am going to make more videos for business ideas and ideas you can do around this. So yeah, make sure you keep an eye out for those. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your time. Barakallahu feek. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.